Minister Shri Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Spain Pedro Sanchez have jointly inaugurated the Tata aircraft complex for manufacturing C-295 aircraft in Vadodara, Gujarat. The facility is a reflection of India's newer culture and reflects the country's speed from idea to execution of any project. The Prime Minister emphasized the focus on eliminating unaccounted delays in planning and execution of projects and expressed confidence that the aircraft made in the inaugurated facility would also be exported. The Prime Minister underlined that India's defense manufacturing ecosystem was scaling new heights today and that if concrete steps were not taken 10 years ago, it would have been impossible to reach this destination today. He highlighted how strategic decisions have spurred the growth of vibrant defense industry in India over the last decade. He also touched upon the IDEX Innovation for Defense Excellence scheme, which has driven the growth of around 1,000 defense startups in the past 5 to 6 years. Prime Minister laid emphasis on skilling and job creation, stating that projects like Airbus Tata Factory will create thousands of jobs and support indigenous manufacturing of 18,000 aircraft parts, providing immense opportunities for MSMEs across India. He also highlighted the unprecedented growth and transformation of India's aviation sector in the last decade, highlighting that the newly inaugurated factory will play a major role from designing to manufacturing civil aircraft to meet the needs of India and world in the future. Vadodara city, a stronghold of MSMEs, will act as catalyst in these efforts of India. The city also had the Gadi Shakti University, which is preparing professionals for different sectors of India. The region is now going to be a major hub of aviation manufacturing in India.